Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Oliver. Good morning, Felix. Okay, so today we will go out. Okay? Yes, we are going to Ikea. Okay, so let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Yay! We are at Ikea now. Let's go. Go, go, go. Hello. Hi. Say escalator. 这个叫 escalator. Okay? Yes, this is a Christmas tree, okay? And we also had a gift here. Yes, Christmas tree and gift. And these are the Christmas balls. Christmas balls. Yes, okay. What are the colors of Christmas balls? What color is it? Red. And also we have color. What's this? Color green. And this one say gold. Gold 是镜子. Gold, right? Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go.
This is living room.
Say living room.
Living room.
Living room 是客厅。客厅有什么？电视，还有你们做的那个是什么？沙发。那沙发英文怎么说？sofa。然后电视英文怎么说？Say television. Okay, Oliver, can you say television? Television 就是 TV 还是电视 ？Okay, 电视 TV 还是 television 都可以说。Okay, and of course you have this sofa bed. Sofa bed 就是沙发床的意思，对不对？这个是不是像沙发床？对不对 ？Okay, say sofa bed. Very good. Okay. This is the dining room.
This is dining room.
Yes, dining room 是吃饭的地方 and this is the dining table. Dining table 是餐桌，对不对 Okay, and of course you have a bowl and glass. Yes, okay. Okay, so 有没有看到很多沙发，很多种，对不对
Yes.
Okay, 那你们要说 different kind
Different kind.
of sofa.
Sofa.
Okay, 就是很多种，对不对 Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is we call TV shelves. 就是电视柜的意思 Okay, 放在电视。然后这个是 bookshelves. Okay, and TV shelves. 书柜还有什么？电视柜，对不对 Okay, so this is a computer table. Okay, this is computer table. Yes, okay. 什么意思？电脑 Yes. Okay. Yes. And what do you call this? 这个是什么？ Chair. Okay, very good. This? Study table. Very good. Study table 是什么意思？书桌 Okay, very good. There's also the drawers here. Drawers 就是柜子这一些。Yeah, okay. And dining area. Dining area 是餐桌，对不对？哇，这个餐桌好漂亮。Is it beautiful? 很漂亮吗？ Say it's beautiful. I can hear you.
Yes, beautiful.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the kitchen.
This is kitchen.
Yes, kitchen. We have this chopping board, microwave. Microwave 是那个微波炉 Okay, and we have this sink.
Sink.
Yes, very good. 对对 And here are the plates and cups. 杯子 Very good. Okay, this is bedroom. 好 And that is the bed. Pillows. 那小婴儿的床叫什么？英文说 crib. Crib. Okay. And of course we have the lamp. Lamp 是那个台灯 Okay. Lamp.
像这个吗？
对，像这个。对，台灯。然后这个窗帘是我们说 curtain. Yes. Okay. Double deck bed 就是上下铺的意思，对不对 Yeah. And of course we have this. 这个是什么？啊？衣柜，衣柜是什么 ？Say wardrobe. Wardrobe 还是 closet? Okay. Okay. You go open it. Open it. You try it. Yes. Okay. Go. You try to look at there. Okay, check inside. What's inside? The other door. Open that. Okay, very good. Say wardrobe. Very good. Okay. This one? Wow, dinosaur! Can you hold it? Hold it. Yeah. Okay.
This is
Pig. Show me. Okay. And what's that? It's a dog. Show me your dog. Okay. So cute.
This is pen.
Pan. Pan 是什么？锅子。Okay. Very good.
It's a wall clock.
Yes, these are wall clocks. Wall clocks 就是时钟，对不对？然后这个有可以干嘛
这样挂在上面。
？DIY 的，对不对？DIY 的时钟。
它才会摇。
对，你要可以自己画，看你要什么样子。You can make your own design. You can draw. Yes， 就是可以画画，可以自己做。对。Yes. Okay. Hungry. Okay, so we will going to buy food. Okay, something to eat for lunch. Okay, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? 你要吃什么 Say I want hot dog. Hot dog. Okay, and you? What do you want to eat? 你要吃什么 Hot dog 吗？也是 logo 吗？
我要炒炸鸡。
Okay. Hot dog and chicken, right? Okay. Okay. Oliver 在吃那个是 sausage. 那 Felix 在吃什么 Say no, hot dog. Yes, okay. Goodbye.